First, insert a hollow circle in the PPT. Adjust the size of the circle. Insert a rectangle, then copy and paste it. Rotate the second rectangle by 90 degrees. Select both rectangles and the hollow circle. Then go to the Shape Format tab and use the Combine Shapes function to select Subtract. At the same page, choose No Outline. Resize the size and move it to the right side. Select the circle and set the shadow to the middle option. Click the shadow options as the bottom of the page shows. Change the transparency and blur to 40%. Set the background fill to picture or texture fill. Then, click Insert Picture and select the desired image. Set the circle as the background fill for the slideshow. Rotate the circle. Change the size or the position of the circle if you want. Insert a rectangle and choose Gradient Fill. Set the rectangle to No Outline. Set the left position to black with 57% and the right position to black with 100%. Place this rectangle at the back. Duplicate this slide for 3 times. Format the background of each slide and refill it with a different image. Rotate the angle of the circle for each slide. Insert the text. Click Transitions and choose Morph. Repeat this step. To add transitions to the text, paste the text from the next slide at the bottom of the current slide's text, and paste the current slide's text at the top of the next slide's text. Then, we are done.